Alright guys, quick, simple plasma effect. Let's get into it. Alright, airbrush that plasma gun with white ink. Don't worry about overspray, it's actually going to help. Straight into it with a dark green ink. The green ink's just going to act as a filter really. So wherever you've hit it with the white ink, it's just going to sit on top of that really nicely. Really simple effect, especially for OSL. So you don't want to worry about overspray. Overspray is good in this situation. Now I quickly go over this with a gloss varnish through the airbrush, through a standard brush, either. Once your varnishing's done, you're going to grab your white ink again and really just get it into the lower parts of that plasma gun and the Now, once that white ink is in there, what I want you to do is you're going to mix I like to use Vallejo's Fluoro Green with a glazed medium and just thin it down. Thin it down a ton so it acts as a filter on that white ink. And you're going to directly hit the center of that plasma pistol again. This is no means high quality plasma effect, but this takes less than 5 minutes, so you're gonna get good value out of this. Cheers guys, have a good one.